Good morning. We are going to Gunma and we are going to ski again sa Karuizawa Snow Park. Who's excited? Sino excited? Snow again. This is our second time visiting Snow Park Resort here in Tokyo. So apparently yung Karuizawa hindi ko na-vlog kasi sobrang ang hirap mag-vlog. Gawa na ako yung punong abala. But this time, I'm going to make sure that I will be vlogging the Snow Park Adventure here in Tokyo. So Shinkansen kami from Tokyo Station to Karuizawa. And this is only 1 hour travel train going to Karuizawa. And we're going to stay in Gunma, which is in Hapa Hotel Karuizawa, para masulit namin yung snow. Because we wanted to experience whole day snow. So from morning to evening up to gabi, may snow. So sana makapalis kami. So later, abangan nyo yung aming snow adventure.
Another bullet train.
And we are here in Gunma! Nagsisnow! Sobrang lamig! Hi! Ayan, grabe yung snowfall. Grabe. Ito na yung Apa Hotel natin. Hi! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Prince Hotel, this ski resort. And sobrang lamig, magla-lunch kami. Ayan, so nag-sightseeing lang kami kasi hindi naman kami marunong mag-ski dahil tamang ano lang, tamang palamig at kain ng halo-halo mamaya. And we are here in Karuizawa Snow Resort! Yay! Ayan, oh. Hi! Hi kayo! Hi! 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 Ah, Ashley! Hey! Ano ang weather natin today? Ano weather natin? Cold. Cold.
Negative
2. Wow! Negative 2.
Ano yun?
Automatic door yan. Yan. So, may mga heat pad kami kasi sobrang lamig. Sino first time mag-snow?
Pas kamay.
Yay!